Hi everyone, my name is Ed Curren and welcome to my course, Getting Started with Cryptography. We work with cryptography in multiple ways every day, and the sheer amount of knowledge that seems to be required just to get going with cryptography can seem daunting. It's a topic that seemingly becomes more important each day though. In this course, you'll learn what you need to know to comfortably interact with the different applications of cryptography that we use every day. Some of the major topics that we're going to cover include the fundamental building blocks of various cryptographic applications and how to use them, new ways of keeping data protected even when it's being processed on hardware that's out of our control, managing cryptographic keys, and the threat that quantum computing poses and how to mitigate it. By the end of this course, you'll understand many applications of cryptography and how they work. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn fundamental cryptography concepts with the Getting Started with Cryptography course here at Pluralsight.